Hi traders, this is Taylor from the tradinganalyst.com, where you can enjoy all of the member-only features for free, like the live chat room, educational videos, real-time option and stock alerts with your very own free trial, where you're not only going to be making money from the alerts that we're giving you, you also have the opportunity to learn while you earn in the classroom setting of the live chat room, where I'm in there all day focusing on trader education and making you a more profitable, consistent, and successful trader. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest that you take advantage of it. So we're going to take a look at the Facebook chart here really quick. A couple things that I want to point out. Obvious trend line here that broke. I've been posting about it for the last, since it broke, okay? And we've also got this a little bit of a downtrend line right here, okay? And it's holding on by a thread to this 104 support level. So, some traders will be pointing out that this is a flag, okay? And I, on the other hand, because of this trend line break, do not consider this a flag. It has to consolidate lower before heading higher because of this trend line break. Okay, we have a declining supply line, and then we've got this flat lower support line. Excuse me, and you can argue that this is a descending triangle, descending wedge. Okay, typically that pattern breaks out to the downside. We've also got these really tight Bollinger Bands right here. And if you look at the last time the Bollinger Bands were this tight, what happened? We got a big decline, just like that. Bollinger Bands do not mean that, do not indicate a direction. I just want to clarify that tight Bollinger Bands mean that a bigger move is coming, because when you consolidate in a tight range like Facebook has over here, just like it did over here, the Bollinger Bands get tight, and so the move can be according to the Bollinger Bands technically either way. But when we have a trend line break, and when we have a, this is even more obvious than this over here, because we have this a little bit nicer of a downtrend line here, and we're hanging out below the middle Bollinger Band for a lot longer than we did over here. And we've also got similar RSI as we did over here. It's trending down, and we're just below 50. I want to see a more significant break below the 50 level, but it is heading in that direction. We've got the MACD, which is trending down, and we also have the stochastics, which are trending down as well. And another thing I want to point out is that if you look at the MACD over here, we've got this high of the MACD, and we've got another similar high for the MACD as well over there. And if you look at the chart over here, we have the price over here and the MACD over here, and then we've got price much higher than it was over here, but the MACD did not make a higher high. Okay, so that's another bearish sign right there. So really, if you want to be safe, wait for a break below that 104 level, and that should signal a pretty big move to the downside. Targeting about 96. There's some really nice support at 96. If 96 breaks, there's some another really nice support at 93. So right in this area between these two marks should provide some nice support for Facebook. If it does get down there, I'm definitely going to be looking for some possible longs. And by the time it gets up there, we've got this inclining 200-day moving average, and it might be up in that 93 range by the time that Facebook finally decides to break. And that can provide some support as well. But we'll see what happens at the time of that break. But in the meantime, look for that 104 break to really see some downside. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you're able to learn a thing or two about technical analysis and about the Facebook chart if you're trading or investing in Facebook. Again, you can sign up for the free trial. You're going to join the best live chat room on the web. We've got a great community of traders, and everyone is trying to help each other out and make money in this market. I suggest that you take advantage of it. We'll see you over there.